Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, by the way, my name is Kimberly Vasquez Celiona. I am 33 years old from TV Albay. I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 daughters and 1 son.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 5 siblings and I am the third one.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college graduate, degree of Hotel and Restaurant Services in situ at Polytechnic Institute of Tobacco.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experienced 2 years as domestic helper in Malaysia. My duties and responsibilities there is cooking, gardening, car washing, ironing clothes, taking care of elderly, and taking care of pets.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking and honest.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to work abroad?
to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them calmly.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear my future employer, hopefully you give me a chance to work at your family. I promise to be a hardworking and honest. And if you have a child, I will love them as my own. And I promise that I finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.